Good evening, everybody. I just wanted to give another tutorial from linuxworld.com. This tutorial is going to give a brief introduction to using Adobe Dreamweaver to create websites. Dreamweaver is one of the best web authoring applications available, at least in my opinion. The learning curve can be a bit tricky, but it's definitely worth it. Now, linuxworld.com is actually made using Adobe Dreamweaver. You're looking at the home page right now up on the internet. This is it right here. And I'll show you the finished page in Dreamweaver. This is the finished page in Dreamweaver, the same one that we were just looking at. All these lines right here are tables. This is what you need in order to make the website. You need to insert tables. So I'm just going to go to this test page right here I just created for the sake of this tutorial. And I just wanted to demonstrate something. A lot of problems that people have with Dreamweaver is they'll go to insert an image. They'll put an image in. And they'll go to drag the image somewhere. Then they say, what gives? I can't move this image around. Well, the reason why is because you need to insert a table. Working with tables can be a bit of a pain, but it makes for a much more organized website. So I'm going to give this table 3 rows, rather 1 row and 3 columns. And click OK. And this is it right here. Now, to better organize everything, I'm going to put a table within a table right now. I'm going to click this cell right here. Insert another table. Make this one 7 rows, 1 column, and 300 pixels in width. So that's this one. Now I can start typing some stuff in here. Get things nice and organized. I'll give a Linux World a heading of 1. Now I can actually go to this page, highlight this, copy, and I'm just going to paste this right in here. This cell just stretched out just to take it. I can copy this. This is a link to a page. The Linux on YouTube page. Paste this right here. Give it a heading of 3, which is actually smaller than heading 1. Bring this cell back here. Now, I can insert another table in the middle. But before I do that, I'm going to click vertical align top. Now, insert table. Give it 7 rows, 1 column. Let's do 300 pixels again. Oops, let's try. Now the reason why I did that is because this actually stretched out. This is part of this table right here. That's why. So bring this back here. See, this is the other table I put in. See? So now I'm going to insert a table, 7 rows, 1 column, 300 pixels. And that's it right here. And I want to align this one to the top. So vertical, align, top. Let's do that again. Align this to the top, insert table. Now it's on the top. And you can start putting some other stuff in here. So I'll put, click here for more Linux books. Click for books. Give this a heading of 3. And I can change the color just by clicking this. I can give it a color of blue. So now it's blue. And you can see this right here. This is actually HTML. That's this file right here. This is from Amazon. And embedding HTML in Dreamweaver, that's something a lot of people don't know how to do. Now I'm just going to highlight and click code. And you can see Dreamweaver highlighted the code for me. So I just copied it. And now I'm going to click in the cell that I want to paste it. And just click paste. And now it's right there. That's it right there. So let's go back to the finish page. Now this right here, this is called a rollover image. See, when I put my mouse over it, it actually changes a little bit. This is two separate images. They're both loaded at the same time, and when you put your mouse over it, it changes. So I'll show you how to do that. You click inside the cell. You want to put the image, insert image objects, roll over image, image 1. I'm just going to pick a couple random images here. You'll want to be more accurate in the ones you pick. Click OK. Save it. Now I'm actually going to preview this in the web browser. Preview in Safari. Now I put my mouse over this, it changes. See, the two images change. So roll over image. And this right here is HTML. I can copy this and paste it in. There it is. Copy the code. Now I have to put in another table first. I'm going to put that on the right side. Insert table. 7 rows, 1 column, 300 pixels. That should be good enough. Just going to click right here, code, paste. Now I have this right here too. So this was just a brief tutorial on how to use Dreamweaver. I'll try to make some more tutorials for you as if I get time to do it. But just remember to use tables when you're inserting images. Always use tables. It keeps things very well organized. And once you get the hang of using tables, you'll get the hang of using Dreamweaver. This has been another tutorial from a Linux World.